Okay, Leeds Avenue School. I am talking to my little munchkins in kindergarten, and I'm talking to my little buddies in first grade. We've played this game before. It's called Going on a Bear Hunt. Now, you're gonna follow along with me at home. You're gonna sing the silly song. And when I say bang, you're gonna stop and you're gonna run as fast as you can for 10 seconds. Now, in the gym, I chase you to try to catch you, but if you're at home, you just have to run and move those feet as fast as you can. And don't forget, you have to help me sing this silly song because, remember, don't tell anyone, it's a secret, I'm not a very good singer. All right, going on a bear hunt, boys and girls. Stop it, Billy.
No.
Walk, 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 everybody walk. Walk, 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 everybody freeze. Remember, we're practicing our 8 locomotor movements here. Walk, 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 everybody walk. Run, 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 everybody run.
They're bleeding.
Run, 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 everybody jump. Jump, jump, jump. Everybody hop, 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 hop. Switch legs, everybody hop. Hop, hop, hop. Everybody freeze. My daughter's trying to tell me something. What is it, Bailey?
My ears are bleeding.
Your ears are bleeding. Thank you for that. Okay, after hop, we are going to slide, slide, slide. Everybody slide. Slide, slide, slide. Everybody gallop. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Everybody switch legs. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Everybody skip. Skip, skip, skip. Everybody skip. Skip, skip, skip. Everybody leap. Leap, leap, leap. Everybody bang! We're done.